Greetings and salutations. Today we're looking at part 1 of our project management lecture series. In part 1 we cover calculating the expected times and variances for the activities. So here we have details for our shopping center project. We have activities listed from A to I, but we'll be focusing on the 3 times to the right: the optimistic time A, the most probable time M, and the pessimistic time B. The optimistic time A is the minimum activity time, assume that everything goes well, no hitches. Right, so it's on ideal conditions. The most probable time M is the most likely activity time, assuming normal conditions. And the pessimistic time B is the maximum time that the activity will take, assuming that there are significant delays. So, on to our formula. Our expected time is calculated as follows: A, the optimistic time, plus 4 multiplied by B by M, the most probable time, plus B, the pessimistic time, all divided by 6. So, here we go. So for A, we will have 4 plus 4 times 5. 4 times 5 is 20. Plus 4, that's 24. Plus 12, that's 36. Divided by 6, that gives us 6. For B, we have 1 plus 4 times 1.5. 4 times 1.5 is 6 plus 1, 7. Plus 5, that's 12. All divided by 6, that gives us 2. For B, well, C, we have 2 plus 4 multiplied by 3, 12. That's 14. Plus 4, 18. All divided by 6. That gives us 3. For D, we have 3 plus 4 multiplied by 4, which is 16. So 3 plus 16, that's 19. Plus 11, that's 30. Divided by 6 gives us 5. Similarly, for E, we will get expected time of 5. For F, we get 2. For G, we get 3. For H, 4. And 2 for I. Alright, so this gives us our expected times for each activity. And we'll now move on to the variances. So the variance formula is the pessimistic time B minus the optimistic time A divided by 6. And we square our answer. So looking at A, we have 12 minus 4, that's 8, divided by 6, that's 4 over 3, and square the answer, we get 1.78. For B, we have 5 minus 1, that's 4, divided by 6, that's 2/3, square our answer, we get 0.44. Alright, rounding to 2 decimal places. For C, 4 minus 2, that's 2, divided by 6, that's 1/3, square that, we get 0.11. For D, 11 minus 3, that's 8, 8 divided by 6, that's 4 over 3, or 1.33, square that, we get 1.78. For E, we have 8 minus 2, that's 6. Divide by 6, we get 1. Square that answer, we still have 1. Likewise for F, we'll get 0.03. For G, we will get 0.25. For H, we get 0.69. And for I, we get 0.03. Right, so now we have our variances for each activity. As usual, practice until perfection is achieved. I will note that perfection is just a lot of little things done well. Right, a quote by Fernand Point. Next, we'll be looking at part 2 of the lecture series, where we'll cover drawing the project network. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Walk good. See you soon.